Hello, I'm Carrie Jagger, and I work for OSU Extension in Morrow County. I'm the Agriculture and Natural Resources Extension Educator. In this short video, I'm going to be talking about soil sampling basics. When soil sampling, it helps to use a probe. The probe in the top of the picture is a shorter style, and the probe in the bottom of the picture is a longer style with a step on the side of it. The step helps you to get the probe into the ground a little bit easier when sampling the soil. In this picture, it shows how you should pull soil samples. Whether you're in your garden or your yard or your flower bed, you start in one corner and you make a zigzag pattern pulling random samples across the area. Using your soil probe to pull the samples as noted in the picture, you'll want to discard the organic layer at the top of the sample. If you're sampling lawns, you'll want to sample 3 to 4 inches deep, and if you're sampling gardens for vegetables or flowers, you want to sample 5 to 8 inches deep. If you don't have a soil probe, you can use a hand trowel, and you will use the same practices as noted in the picture. Remove the organic layer and dig down the allotted inches as mentioned before. When pulling your samples, you want to use a clean bucket or Ziploc bag to put your samples in. Once you've pulled all of your samples, you can mix them up in the bucket or the bag and then lay them out to dry for a day or two. Once your samples are dry, you'll want to fill out a form for the corresponding lab and put your dry soil in the little bag. We need about a cup to a cup and a half of soil to complete the sample. You'll want to mark and note on the form what you're getting the soil sampled for, and you mark the same thing on the bag. Putting your dry soil in your soil sample bag. The bag properly labeled with where you pulled the soil from, and your completed form with where you pulled your soil sample from, and it matches your bag as well. This is important because when you get your results back, you'll want to know which area of the yard you pulled the sample from. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, you can reach me at jagger.6@osu.edu. And I would like to give photo credits to my coworker, Joe Boggs. He's the Agriculture and Natural Resources Extension Educator in Hamilton County.